Hi everyone, welcome once again to Aaron Gladys Fusion Recipes. Today I have come up with a protein rich recipe that is soya chunks egg roast. Follow the video step by step to get a good recipe. If you like this, share it and subscribe the channel for more videos.
So let's begin. Here I took 1 bowl of soya chunks, poured enough water and enough salt and cooked this around 10 minutes. You need to squeeze and extract the extra amount of water which is there in it before you cook. Let's begin our preparation. For that I kept a kadai on the stove and it is hot enough. Now I am going to pour enough oil in it. Now the oil is hot. Now I am going to add half teaspoon of anise seeds, sombu. Add green chilies. Here I took 2 green chilies. Add crushed garlic. I took 8 pieces of garlic. Then add chopped onions. Here I took medium size of 2 onions. Here we need more onions. Mix all these things together. Add half teaspoon of salt in it. After adding salt, cover it with a lid and allow it to cook well. This is the structure of onions after 5 minutes. Now we are going to add some dry powders. Before you adding the powders, you need to turn the flame in complete sim. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 of chili powder, 1 spoon of meat masala, half teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix all these things together, and in this moment you need to add some curry leaves also. I allowed to cook all these dry powders around half minute, and in this moment we need to add the cooked soya chunks. Mix all these things together. After mixing everything well, you need to cover it with a lid and allow it to dry fry. This is the structure of soya chunks after 10 minutes. You need to stir this occasionally, and this moment we are going to add egg in it. We need 3 eggs for this preparation. So here I broke the egg in a vessel. I am going to add enough salt and you need to beat it well. You need to pour egg in this way. In every way it should be reached. Using spoon you need to spread the egg batter at every corner of this soya chunks. After spreading that, you need to close it with a lid and allow it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, remove the lid and allow it to stir occasionally and make dry fry. After 2 minutes, it is dry roasted well, and this moment we can able to turn off the stove. Finally, we have got an yummy soya chunks egg roast. You can add lemon juice if you like. Really, you will enjoy a special taste. So, start trying it. Comment your experience. Thank you for watching.